Hi traders, in this video we take a look at the much awaited Renko and mean Renko indicator for the cTrader platform. Now those of you who are accustomed to using the cTrader platform, you might have known the shortcomings that the platform does not offer any indicators for generating the Renko charts. There are a few indicators available, but they are very limited in their scope. This particular indicator which I'm reviewing is by azinvest.eu, and it's definitely one of the best that I've come across for the cTrader platform. So in this video I will demonstrate how to add the Renko offline charts onto your cTrader platform. First step is add a chart. Let's take a look at Euro USD. Let me make a few adjustments to the chart. Okay, so you've got the Euro USD 1 hour chart. You need to click on the functions button, go to custom, and select the median Renko. Now in order to add this indicator, once you download the trial or purchase it, simply copy paste the algo file into your documents folder where you have the cTrader that's installed. So as you can see, the settings, you've got the bar size, retracement factor, maximum bars, symmetrical reversals, and the lines. The bar size is basically the number of pips that you want the Renko chart to be generated. So let's select 30 pips. The retracement factor can be selected from 0.1 all the way up to 1, with 0.5 being the median Renko. So let's start with 1. For the maximum number of bars, I will select it to 3000. Make sure that symmetrical reversals are on, and click OK. Now as you can see, you've got the Renko chart overlaid on your price chart. So let's get rid of the price chart. Select the line chart, and then in the colors section select the bear and bull outline to white, or the same background as your chart. You could also do a bit more customization by unchecking these lines. Well, these are nothing but simple markers, as you can see. Let me show you. These are the tiny dots that you see on the screen right here. So let's uncheck the lines. What happens when you set the symmetrical reversals to false? Well, you've got what looks like a range bar. Okay, so let's move back to symmetrical reversals to true and change the retracement factor to 0.5 in order to get the mean Renko bars. Now the wicks are part of the indicator. There is no option to enable or disable them. However, I don't see this to be a problem as such. Okay, so let's select 1 to generate the mean Renko bars, the classic Renko bars. Now what really impressed me with this Renko indicator is the fact that you could add custom regular indicators on top of this. So let's add a simple moving average. In the source, switch from close to the median Renko close. Let's select a 20 period simple moving average. And there you have it. You could also add a couple of other indicators. Now an interesting point to note out here is that the indicators that you can apply on the Renko chart are limited. By limited, I mean you can only use indicators which allow you to select the source. For example, let's take a look at the Stochastic Oscillator, where you don't have source here. Now, those of you who are accustomed to the MT4, you would know that you could select the source to high, low, or open, close, whereas with cTrader that option is not available. So what you have is the Stochastic Oscillator, which plots prices based on the original price bars as compared to the Renko bars. Now, to take a closer look at this, let's select the 14-period relative strength index. As you can see, you have the option to select the source. When you use the median Renko close, you have the lines, the indicator being plotted correctly. Just to show you a comparison, let's take a look at RSI with just the close. You can see that here you've got the RSI tracking the actual closing prices, whereas this RSI is tracking the closing prices of the Renko chart. So that's the only limitation that I see. But again, I wouldn't say that this is due to the way the Renko charts are, the Renko indicator is coded. Rather, it has to do with the way cTrader deals with certain indicators. Again, as you can see, some of the indicators do not have the option to select the source, and therefore it would render it useless. Well, most of the moving averages have the option to select the source. For the oscillators, you again are limited. You have the D200 price oscillator, which allows you to select the source, and thus you could you could make use of this indicator. So guys, this basically sums up the review for the cTrader Renko indicator. As you can see, it's quite a really neat indicator. It doesn't eat up much into the resources, and the fact that you can overlay this on the main chart means that it's pretty easy to use. Now, this indicator retails for $25 for a lifetime license, or you could apply for a 14-day free trial as well. Click on the link in the video description to download the indicator. Thank you.